Today, we're specifically looking at complication or side effects of the blue pills and the drugs related to the blue pills, i.e. PDE5 inhibitors. PDE5 inhibitors itself stands for phosphodiesterase inhibitors. So it's a bit of a mouthful, but it's a very simple medication. Prior to 1998, the experimental drug that was designed in order to see whether this medication, which is a muscle relaxant that will help with circulation with the body, help with hypertension. And this drug was trialed in England and also in Wales, and suddenly it's realized that the flow of the blood because of muscle relaxation actually has awakened the kraken and actually enhanced erection in many men. So in 1998, this drug was designed and licensed for erectile dysfunction. There are several groups of these drugs available in Malaysia. The most well-known one, perhaps the blue pill, is also generic name known as Sildenafil. Then there is Tadalafil, then there is the Sildenafil, and also the other one which is Sildenafil. And these group of drugs play the same functions, but they all have different pharmacokinetics. Therefore, the onset of the timing is slightly different, and also how long it lasts is slightly different. When it comes to the impact, all of them probably will have the similar efficacy, but the side effects can be quite peculiar. For the men who are trying the Sildenafil, you may expect certain unconventional side effects. For example, after taking the medication, you get hot flushes. And this is because of the relaxations of the capillary vessels. You also may get headache and also indigestions. So therefore, we ask patients to be a little bit more cautious when taking the medications and expect certain side effects like that. In addition to that, you might get palpitation. It's because the relaxations of the vessel might get the heart pumping a bit faster. In addition to that, some people might be a little bit sensitive to the medication, might get a bit of nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. And one peculiar thing that is really unique to Sildenafil is that when you're taking this medication, there's another stimulation of back of your retina, giving you this difficulty in differentiations of blue color and also the green color. And that itself might give you a blurring of vision or blue vision. Medications such as Tadalafil will get additional back pain up to 11% of the people who consume this medication. One last thing, there are several groups of patients who are really not suitable to take this medication. One really rare medical condition that affects the eye called retinitis pigmentosa. You might not be able to take this medication. And lastly, men who are taking GTN for angina, you're not suitable to take this medication. So for the last week of May, we're going to go back to the whole idea of side effects again. And on this occasion, for those of you who probably are contemplating IVF, you might need to know the side effects of sperm donations and also sperm retrieval. Stay tuned for next week's Putting Dr. G on the Spot.